Forget protein powders and eggs. This vegetable protein builds muscle and kills sarcopenia after 60. Many people over 60 believe that protein shakes or eggs are the only way to maintain strength, but the truth is, your body can thrive on everyday vegetables. These hidden powerhouses provide not just protein, but vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that protect your muscles, support your bones, and even keep your nerves firing smoothly. Today, we're uncovering 9 vegetables that quietly rebuild muscles, prevent sarcopenia, and help you stay independent, mobile, and energized. Number 9. Okra, the digestive and muscle ally. At first glance, okra might seem like a simple green pod, but it packs a serious punch. Just one nutrient absorption, meaning the protein from every meal actually reaches your muscles. In addition, okra contains magnesium and potassium, which support proper muscle contractions, prevent cramps, and ease heavy legs, a common complaint for seniors. Its antioxidants fight inflammation, the silent process that damages muscle fibers over time. Imagine fewer nighttime cramps, lighter legs, and easier daily movement. Cooking okra is simple. Stew it with tomatoes, roast until crisp, or toss it into soups. This humble vegetable quietly supports strength, digestion, and independence for those over 60. Number 8. Asparagus. The brain-muscle connector asparagus may look delicate, but it's a powerhouse for muscle coordination and brain-muscle communication. A cup of cooked asparagus provides 2 to 3 grams of protein, plus choline, a nutrient critical for nerve signaling. When choline runs low, movements can feel shaky or slow, but asparagus keeps every step steady and confident. It also contains folate and vitamin E, which repair cells and improve circulation, giving muscles more oxygen and energy. For seniors experiencing swelling in the legs or ankles, asparagus gently supports fluid balance without draining essential minerals. Perhaps most impressive is its high level of glutathione, the body's master antioxidant, which protects muscle fibers from everyday wear and tear. Steaming, roasting, or adding asparagus to omelets provides a gentle, natural boost for strength and stability. Number 7. Brussels sprouts, collagen builders for strong muscles and joints. Brussels sprouts are tiny, but mighty. 1 cup of cooked sprouts contains around 4 grams of protein, but their real gift is vitamin C, which helps your body produce collagen. Collagen keeps muscles, ligaments, and tendons flexible, ensuring smooth movement and faster recovery. They also contain glucosinolates, compounds that calm hidden inflammation, a major culprit behind weakened muscles and joints as we age. Plus, vitamin K supports bone density and nerve-to-muscle communication, essential for balance and preventing falls. Don't save Brussels sprouts for holidays. Roast them with olive oil, saute with garlic, or pair with walnuts. Small, nutritious bites that protect strength, balance, and mobility in later life. Number 6. Broccoli, the anti-inflammatory muscle protector. Broccoli may seem ordinary, but it's a quiet protector of strength. A serving provides about 3 grams of protein, plus sulforaphane, a compound that reduces chronic inflammation, the hidden process that weakens muscles with age. It also delivers vitamin C for collagen, vitamin K for bone support, and folate for circulation, while fiber helps regulate blood sugar and improve digestion. This means the protein from all your meals works harder for you. Steaming, roasting, stir-frying, or blending into soup ensures broccoli stays a regular part of your diet, lowering inflammation and protecting muscles for the long term. Number 5. Kale, the superfood for bones, muscles, and energy. Kale has earned its reputation as a superfood for a reason. A cup of raw kale offers around 4 grams of protein, but its real power comes from nutrients that protect muscles, bones, and energy. Vitamin K directs calcium to bones and muscles, preventing stiffness and balance issues. Vitamin C supports collagen, keeping muscles and tendons flexible. Kale contains alpha-lipoic acid, an antioxidant that shields muscle cells from wear and tear, slowing fatigue and weakness. Combined with magnesium, calcium, and potassium, it helps prevent cramps and poor muscle coordination. Softening kale for salads, sautéing for tenderness, or blending into smoothies makes this nutrient-dense green a consistent ally for strength and independence. Number 4. Spinach, the circulation and recovery booster. Spinach may not have the highest protein content, but it's a support system for your meals. A 100-gram serving contains 3 to 5 grams of protein, plus magnesium, which helps muscles contract and relax smoothly, reducing cramps, fatigue, and slow recovery. Natural nitrates improve circulation, delivering oxygen to muscles for longer activity and stamina. Lutein and zeaxanthin protect eyes and guard against inflammation that can weaken muscles over time. Spinach is versatile. Scramble it with eggs, stir into soups, or saute with olive oil and garlic. Paired with vitamin C foods like tomatoes, its iron absorption improves, giving seniors steady energy and mobility. Number 3. Mushrooms. The recovery and antioxidant powerhouse. Mushrooms might seem plain, but they are quiet muscle allies. A 100-gram serving provides 3 to 5 grams of protein. Cooking mushrooms makes that protein more bioavailable, supporting muscle repair and growth. They also contain B vitamins for energy metabolism, selenium to protect muscles from oxidative stress, and compounds like ergothioneine that reduce inflammation. Mushrooms support recovery, antioxidant defenses, and even brain health, critical for seniors, maintaining both strength and coordination. Saute, roast, or toss them into soups and omelettes. Mushrooms are a versatile, tasty way to keep your body and mind strong. Number 2. Green peas. The leucine-rich muscle signalers. Green peas are simple but powerful. A cup of cooked peas gives nearly 8 grams of protein and is rich in leucine, the amino acid that signals your body to repair and rebuild muscle. This is crucial because aging muscles respond less efficiently to protein. Peas are packed with fiber, stabilizing blood sugar and supporting digestion for better nutrient absorption. They also contain vitamin K and folate, supporting bone health, circulation, and joint flexibility. Add them to soups, stir into rice or pasta, or mash with olive oil for a quick side. Humble but mighty, peas protect strength, mobility, and independence. Number 1. Moringa. The miracle muscle builder. Moringa, often called the miracle tree, is truly remarkable. Its leaves provide nearly 9 grams of protein per 100 grams, more than spinach, kale, or most other greens. Even better, it's a complete protein, containing all 9 essential amino acids, including leucine, the key trigger for muscle growth and repair. For seniors, this is a game changer. As your body ages, protein responsiveness declines, but moringa gives the clear signal muscles need to preserve and rebuild. Moringa is also loaded with iron for energy, calcium for bones, and antioxidants that calm inflammation, which silently erodes muscles and joints over time. Fresh leaves can be cooked in soups or stews, sautéed, or dried into powder for smoothies or teas. Even small, consistent servings make a meaningful difference in strength and vitality. Unlike supplements, moringa works gently with your body, supporting muscles, bones, and energy without side effects. For seniors over 60, it could completely replace eggs as a top protein source. Putting it all together, from okra to moringa, each vegetable plays a unique role. Some improve digestion and nutrient absorption. Others protect muscles, joints, and circulation. Together, they form a team that fights sarcopenia, boosts energy, and supports independence. Pair these vegetables with moderate exercise, adequate sleep, and stress management, and you create a holistic system to protect muscles and maintain mobility after 60. Science supports it. Research consistently shows that plant proteins, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory nutrients can preserve muscle mass, reduce fatigue, and improve recovery in older adults. Imagine waking up with stronger legs, steadier balance, and energy for everyday tasks, all without powders or complicated diets. These vegetables are accessible, affordable, and proven by both tradition and modern science to protect strength and independence. Which of these vegetables will you add to your meals this week? Share in the comments. I read every one of them. And if you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and share with someone who could use a little extra strength and energy in their life. Your support helps us continue bringing empowering tips for seniors just like you. Remember, always consult your healthcare provider before making significant changes to your diet, especially if you have existing health conditions or take medications. By building these habits, plant proteins, mindful nutrition, and consistent movement, you can take control of your strength and independence, protecting yourself from sarcopenia and keeping life active, mobile, and fulfilling.